today I'm actually in my niece's room, and they've been way overdue for a room makeover for how many years? Almost 6 years. They've got some furniture in here that they had when they were really little, and it just doesn't work anymore. All of their walls are painted different colors. Whose decision was that?
Ours. No, it wasn't.
It's pink, blue, purple, and green in here. So we're gonna give them a total makeover today. Paint the walls, new furniture, new curtains, new twinkly lights, new bedding. So we are gonna get started getting all of this stuff out of the room and paint. Are you so excited for your room makeover?
Yeah.
Are you so excited? They are excited, they just don't want to be on camera. So let's get started. What is that?
A polar bear.
Why is it on your ceiling? So we found these Bean Boozled. It's happening.
Pear. Wait, it's like
toothpaste or blueberry?
that's not bad. It's too.
You gotta eat it. Booger or juicy pear? Okay, 1, 2.
Oh my gosh.
1, 2, 3.
You have to eat it.
No! I don't know if that was booger or juicy pear because these might be really old.
Oh no!
Back to cleaning. We're done. It's empty. What do we do now?
Paint.
Paint. So we got all of our paint supplies, and let's show them what color we're gonna do. It's like a pretty like blush pinky white to cover up all of these walls. Now that everything is painted and all the walls are done and it's pretty much dry, we're gonna be hanging fairy lights and curtains. And then we're gonna get started decorating.
Oh, they're so pretty.
So one DIY that I really wanted to do in their room, they have these really cute letters. They all have different fabric, but I thought it would be really cute to spray paint them all metallic gold. It is fabric, but I think once they're hung on the wall, it's really not gonna matter that they're just spray painted and it's gonna stay on. So yeah, we're gonna spray paint them. So even though the metallic paint didn't actually cover all of it, I think it looks really cool with the patterns inside. Like you can kind of see the pattern showing through the metallic. So these are so beat up that we're gonna try and spray paint them.
So cool. It's like copper.
Okay, so it's like totally a week later. We originally started doing the girls' room when they were on spring break. So they were helping me paint, set up their beds and everything. So now that they are actually back in school, I snuck into their house, and like by snuck in, I mean my sister let me in while they're at school so that I could finish everything in their room. So when they get home from school, we can do like a big reveal. So I'm gonna get started. I've got a lot of stuff to do today. I'm gonna start building some furniture. So let's get started. I'm tired. I can't wait for them to get home and see their room, and I hope they love it, but I don't know when they're coming. Oh, okay, they're about to be home from school. Do you love it?
Whoa!
Do you love it?
It looks so different. It does.
This is my favorite. give you guys kind of like a room tour, just in case you see something that you like and you want to go to the store and pick it up. I picked up these matching bedspreads. Both of these are twin size beds. I picked these up at Marshall's. They were on sale, and I'll link all of the products that I can actually find down in the description bar below. These pillows I got at Marshall's as well. So I kind of mixed and matched some patterns and some textures in here, which I thought was really cool and unique. These pictures up here are from Target, and they're so cute. They were in the exact color palette that we wanted for this room, which is kind of like a rose gold, pink, gray theme. And then they actually had each their own name from, these are from Urban Outfitters a long time ago when they were babies, but we actually spray painted them rose gold, and they look like so vintage and cool. Like you can kind of see the texture and the print of the pattern coming through the rose gold paint, which I thought was so cool. And then these guys, oh my god, these are from Marshall's too. What the heck? I've been finding some really good stuff at Marshall's. And Marshall's and HomeGoods and TJ Maxx are all owned by the same person. So that's why they kind of have like crossover in the stuff that they have. So if you like shopping at HomeGoods, you're gonna like shopping at Marshall's too. And they're just like so talented. They win at everything. Look at all their medals over there. Like, what the heck? I never had this many medals when I was young. Are you joking? So then these pictures, this one and then this one over here on this wall, is a set of 3, and they're actually posters from IKEA, and you can just hang them up on your wall with these little clippies that you can get from Target. Then you can frame them too if you like. And then this is so cute. This is actually from IKEA, and it's just a mirror that you can actually hang on the wall, but I just set it on the floor because I want them to put all their cute Polaroids around the frame so that with all of their friends. And I picked this up at HomeGoods. I thought this was so cool. You can see it's like this long rope. You can hang it in a room somewhere. I just love when pendant lights like that are actually hung over a floor-length mirror, because I think it kind of creates like a cute moment. And then I got them a little plant that they could just sit here and take cute selfies. And this rug is from HomeGoods. I got these lamps at Marshall's on super clearance because we were doing this on a budget. And these were on super clearance. These lamps were $15. What? $15? And they're so nice. They're like silver. And this stuff they already had. I picked up this at actually a garage sale, this little heart tray, and this little cute little thing at HomeGoods, and this little cute little thing at HomeGoods too. These sheer curtains are so pretty, and they're perfect if you want to do a twinkly light moment. These curtains are from IKEA, and this is actually for this size window. This is actually 4 panels, so 2 packs. So each pack comes with 2 panels. So I have 4 here to make it really look really full. And then the twinkly lights I ordered on Amazon, and they have like a bajillion different settings that you could do. And you could also get them in cool light like this, where it's more blue, or you could get it in warm light, which is more like a warm brown color for your room. So it just depends on what you like. And then all the way up there, this rod is from Target. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, definitely hit the like button below. And if you want to see more content like this, definitely let me know in the comments what part was your favorite, or if you're interested in redoing your room too and you got some cool ideas. So I post new videos every week, so definitely hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you guys next week. Bye guys. Don't ruin it before they see it. Get down. Oh my god, you're right.
It's so hard.